Hey guys, what's up? It's me MaxSacro11 today again with you, and we are going to do a tutorial on enemies and health. So let's do it quickly. Now you have to create a few sprites, a sprite creeper, a sprite explosion, and a sprite health. Sprite creeper is just a normal creeper. He won't move for now, so you can just make him still. You can make him move like we did with the animals. And also we have the sprite explosion. Now this is how it looks like. Okay, now what you have to do is well, I will put a link in the description below for a Google search where you will choose whichever kind of explosion you want, or you can just make your own, but I'm not going to bother with that right now. So yeah, just make different frames, and yeah, okay. um, and create a sprite health, and you can make it smaller than your player, because in Minecraft it is smaller than your player. So yeah, I just like it this way. As you can see, I added an animation of it jumping up and down, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So that's all you have to do for the sprites. On object heart, explode, and creeper, and health draw. Let me just so I will first go with object player, just to show you what you have to do in object player. So the first thing you have to do is make a create event and go to control and draw in a set variable. The variable we're going to use is going to be global.health, and the value is going to be 100. Don't check the relative. Click OK. So what this is going to do is set the, or I will just explain that at the end of the video. Then create a collision with object explode, and set the variable. It will set the variable global.health to -1 and check relative. Click OK. And the last thing is collision with object heart. Set the variable global.health to +10 and check relative. So okay, I will explain at the end of the video. Click OK, and that's all you have to do for for object creeper. You just have to make him solid and make a collision with object player, and make him change into object explode and perform events. Yes, click OK, and that's all you have to do for the creeper. And if you want to make him move like the animals, you can just do the same thing for him. So yeah, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, that's all you have to do for the creeper. Okay, now for object explode, all you have to do is make the depth -1 and add other animation end. So when the animation ends, it will change into object heart. Perform events, yes. Okay, that's all you have to do for object explode. And the last one is object heart. What you have to do is make the depth 1 and just do all the same stuff, like for dirt drop or sand drop or stone drop, doesn't matter. Just when it collides with object dirt, it will stay in place just like I did right here. And when it collides with player, it will destroy the instance. So yeah, just make all the same stuff. And for the step event, also the same things. As you can see, they are all the same. So just do the same thing. And create a create event and type in image speed equals 1. And that's all you have to do for object. And for the object health draw, just insert a draw event and go to control, drag a draw variable and type in global.health view underscore xview plus 42, and in the y-axis view underscore y view plus 0. Don't check the relative. And go to draw and drag this draw text in here, and in the text type in health, and in the x axis view underscore x view plus 0, and in the y axis view underscore y view plus 0. Okay, that's all you have to do for the object health draw. Go to level 1 and insert object health draw anywhere you want. I just place it right here, and drag the creeper anywhere you want. I just place him here. And the game is set for you to test it out, and just test it out. Card. And now I will explain it all to you. So we'll go to object player. Actually, this object health draw, it actually draws health on your screen when the game starts. So we have a draw event, and then we have a draw variable, and in here we have global.health. So global.health, it's our health, and this right here is the position where it's going to be drawn, and the text is also health, and this is the position it's going to be drawn. So yeah, object creeper, when he collides with player, he changes into object explode, and when object explode is in the game, when the animation ends, it will change into object hearth, which has gravity, and it will fall on the floor, and when it collides with object player, it will destroy itself. And now let's go to object player. As you can see here, at the beginning of the game, when he is created, he will set the variable of global health to 100. So our health at the beginning of the game will be 100. And when he collides with object explode, it will set his health to -1. And when he collides with object heart, it will give him 10 health. I don't know. So yeah, now we can test it out. Let's just try it out. It should work perfectly. So yeah, we have our health right here. We can move around, and when we touch the creeper, he explodes and he drops a heart. And I forgot to mention how to make these blocks destroy themselves, so I will just show you that right now. Go to every block, and when they collide with objects explode, they will destroy the instance. So just go to add event, collision, object explode, and just drag and destroy instance. It's really that simple. And add that to all the blocks, and yeah, it's done. So yeah, and uh, whatever this explosion touches, it will destroy it. So yeah, that's all we had to add in this tutorial. So yeah, see you next time.